In this video, I'll show you how to enable comments on TikTok stories. It's going to be a tutorial video. Make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. This video is really for educational purposes only. So open your TikTok, go to the inbox option. You're going to be able to see your story. So I'm going to click on it. I'm going to select an image from my gallery. I'm going to be able to use to do this. So I'm going to do mine now. Okay, this is what's going to come out. So you're going to be able to see there is a settings icon right at the top of your screen. So I'm going to click on it. You can see the allow comment is currently turned on. So if you want to disable it, you can be able to disable it or enable it with this option. So I can come on here and disable it. I can come on here and enable it. So this is basically how I can be able to enable comments on TikTok stories. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the next video.